Hi guys, my name is Julian Timothy Nababan. I am from Group 9. In this occasion, I will tell you why e-business is important to marketing our product and how many model that e-business have and the disadvantage and advantage by using e-business. There are so many more. So just jump to the subject. Okay, e-business have 4 subjects. The first subject, it was the definition of e-business. The second was e-business model. The third is e-business type. And the last is advantage and disadvantage. We go to the first subject, it was definition of e-business. E-business or electronic business is an activity of transaction, buying and selling business conduct through electronic device or with the internet so that companies can directly interact with customer, supplier, and business partner. Also, e-business allows a company to be able to deal with internal and external data processing system more efficiently and flexibly. So e-business is also widely used to connect with supplier and business partner of the company, as well as meet requests and serve customer satisfaction better. The next is the background. The background of the e-business is the development of management information system has led to significant change in the patterns of decision making by management, both at the operational level, technical implementer, and leader at all level. The development of this management information system has also caused change in the role of manager in decision making. They are required to always be able to obtain the most accurate and current information that can be used in the decision making process. Okay, we go to the second subject, it was e-business model. The first model of e-business, it was business to business or B2B. Such example like Alibaba, Indonetwork. The second model was B2C or business to consumer. Example like Bineka and Zara. And the last was C2C or consumer to consumer. Like example is eBay, Kaskus, Tokopedia, and others. Okay, the first model of e-business is B2B. B2B is a communication system between companies or electronic transaction between companies that are carried out routinely with large product requirement. B2B characteristic is the first characteristic was the exchange of information between businessmen is because of need and trust. The second is information exchange are conducted in agreed format and the service system used between the two businessmen also use the same standard. The third is the tool used is the electronic data interchange or EDI. Model that is commonly used is peer-to-peer. With this model between businessmen, it becomes easier to distribute the information they have. The second e-business model is B2C or business to consumer. B2C is a business communication system between company and consumer in order to meet certain needs at certain times. B2C characteristic was, the first is, information disseminated is general. The service provided are general, so they are widely used by many people. The second is, the service provided are on request. If the consumer makes a request, then the business actor must be fast and ready to respond to the customer request. The third is, the approach taken is client-server, where customers are on the client side using web browser to be able to access it, and businessmen are on the server side. The third business model is consumer to consumer or C2C. C2C is a communication system and business transaction between consumers to be able to meet certain needs at certain times. The characteristic of C2C, the first characteristic is in the scope of consumer to consumer is special because transactions are carried out only between consumers. The internet is used as many of exchanging information about product, price, quality, and service. The last characteristic is consumer can also form a community of users or fans of a product so that there is a that dissatisfaction of a product, it will immediately spread widely or quickly through the community. We got to the third subject. It was the type of e-business. The e-business type have 4 types. The first type is CRM or Customer Relation Management. The second is Enterprise Resource Planning or ERP, Enterprise Application Program or EAI. The fourth and the last is the Supply Chain Management or SCM. Okay, we got to the first type. The first type was CRM. CRM is a customization system, personalized product and service based on customer desire or concerning the relationship between the company and consumer, which include sales, marketing, data, sales and service, the perception of consumer. The second type was ERP or Enterprise Resource Planning. This e-business is supporting information system that provide a variety of company needs such as supply chain, CRM, marketing, warehouse, shipping, and payment, and are able to automate business process or involve relationship with the company, which include production and finance, human resource, sales and distribution, order management. Okay, the third type was EAI. EAI is a concept of integrating various business process by allowing them to exchange message-based data. EAI function as an ERP liaison with SCM or ERP with CRM. The last type was SCM or Supply Chain Management. Supply chain management is automatically computerized. SCM concerns the relationship between companies and supplier. Okay, we got to the last subject. It was the advantage and disadvantage of e-business. The first I will tell you about the advantage of e-business. The first advantage was easy access. In order to be able to connect or interact remotely or indirectly with consumer, business only need an adequate internet connection. The second was right on target. Businessmen who promote their product can be better target in marketing their product, so the consumer will increase. Okay, the third is saving time. If to interact or transact must meet consumer or meet business partner, then e-business communication can be done online on the internet so that it can save time. The last advantage was does not require large capital. Many people or most people always assume that to start a business requires substantial capital, especially in promoting product that will be sold. Whereas today it can be seen that many people do business using the internet or online with little or no capital. Only with a small capital and support by an adequate internet connection, many people can immediately run a business. An example of a business on the internet, such like a reseller. So only resell product sold by other seller, of course, with agreement that have been agreed before, we can start running a business. Okay. Next, the disadvantage of e-business. The first disadvantage is no need to meet directly with consumer. No need to meet directly with consumer, so there is no access between businessman and consumer. So there will be no face-to-face meeting between seller and buyer. If you want to meet, you have to make an agreement first. Then the last is the risk of fraud. Because transactions are not direct, there is a risk of fraud, especially for novice businessmen who still lack knowledge about business on the internet. But now, there are so many ways to avoid fraud, one of which is by using joint account so that a transaction becomes safer. Okay guys, that's it for my presentation. Thank you.